Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're tackling a question that comes up a lot when we talk about life insurance. Am I covered for my whole life, or just for a certain fixed period? It's a fundamental difference, and understanding it is key to making sure you have the right protection for your loved ones. So, let's dive in. When it comes to life insurance, there are two main categories: term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Each one offers a very different kind of coverage. First, let's talk about term life insurance. Think of term life as renting your insurance coverage. You choose a specific period, or term, for the policy to be in effect. This could be 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, or sometimes even shorter or longer. During that chosen term, if you were to pass away, your beneficiaries would receive a payout, the death benefit. It's straightforward. You pay premiums for a set period, and you're covered for that period. Now, what happens when the term ends? Well, the coverage simply expires. It's like your lease being up. You can often choose to renew the policy, but the premiums will likely be higher because you're older. Or you can purchase a new policy, or simply let the coverage lapse. Term life insurance is often a great choice for people who need coverage for a specific period of time. For example, while they have a mortgage, while their children are young and dependent, or while they're paying off significant debts. It's generally more affordable than permanent life insurance in the initial years because it's providing coverage for a defined risk period. Now let's shift gears and talk about permanent life insurance. As the name suggests, this type of insurance is designed to cover you for your entire life, for as long as you continue to pay the premiums. It doesn't expire after a set number of years. With permanent life insurance, as long as the premiums are paid, the death benefit is guaranteed to be paid out to your beneficiaries whenever you pass away, whether that's next year or 50 years from now. There are different types of permanent life insurance, like whole life and universal life, but the core idea is the same: lifelong coverage. Another key feature of permanent life insurance is that it often builds cash value over time. This cash value is a component that grows on a tax-deferred basis, and you can often access it through loans or withdrawals during your lifetime. Think of it as a savings component within your insurance policy. Permanent life insurance is generally more expensive than term life insurance in the beginning, precisely because it offers lifelong coverage and the potential for cash value accumulation. It's often chosen for estate planning, to ensure funds are available for final expenses, or to create a legacy for future generations. So, to summarize, term life insurance covers you for a fixed period of time. It's like renting coverage. Permanent life insurance covers you for your entire life. It's like owning coverage, often with a savings component. Which one is right for you? Well, that depends entirely on your individual circumstances, your financial goals, and what you want the insurance to achieve. Do you need coverage for a specific temporary need, or do you want lifelong protection and the potential for cash value? If you're still unsure, I always recommend talking to a qualified financial advisor. They can help you assess your needs and guide you toward the best option for your unique situation. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into personal finance and insurance. We'll see you next time.